फिजिकली शॉप पे जा नहीं पाते, फिजिकली हम
ओके।
शॉप पे जा नहीं पाते हैं। सो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि होम सैलून, हम लोग आपके घर पे आते हैं, आप हमारी तरफ हमारे पास आने की जरूरत नहीं। सो ऑलरेडी एक सर्विस है मार्केट में जो कि हेयर कट है, बस फर्क इतना है कि हम फिजिकली वहां पे उनके पास जाते हैं, पर ये चीज हम आप कस्टमर्स के पास अभी हम तुम्हारे पास आ रहे हैं। तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट है, द प्रोडक्ट इज होम सैलून, सो डिटरमाइनिंग द डिमांड पैटर्न। हम ये एक ऐसा चीज है कि एवरीवन ग्रोज देयर हेयर, एंड इन दिस डिजिटल एरा हम सबको वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग या वीडियो मीटिंग्स में जाना बहुत जरूरी है। तो उस समय वी नीड टू लुक प्रेजेंटेबल, सो इन दैट केस वी नीड टू ग्रूम आवरसेल्व्स वेरी वेल, सो वी डेफिनेटली नीड अ गुड ट्रिमिंग एंड अ गुड हेयर कट। सो ये चीज हम आपके पास आ रहे हैं। सो ये है। सो द यूएसपी, यूनिक सेलिंग point of this is that it is customer friendly, high quality work and excellent hygiene की बात करें तो in this pandemic thing we are very conscious of not getting infected due to this COVID-19. So we can use the hand gloves, sanitize कर सकते हैं, temperature check कर सकते हैं, even if they want they can ask for the
Naveen, Naveen, USP is unique selling proposition and not point.
okay sir, my mistake sir.
Unique selling proposition. PROPOSITION.
Okay sir,
Okay.
let me,
Okay, continue.
जी सर। सो हाँ, तो हाइजीन के मामले में वी कैन यूज ग्लव्स, हम लोग टेम्परेचर चेक कर सकते हैं, वी कैन सैनिटाइज आल्सो बिफोर गिविंग अ सर्विस टू द क्लाइंट, एंड इफ दे वांट इट इवन दे कैन आस्क द सर्विस मेंबर टू गेट वैक्सीनेटेड। सो कस्टमर फ्रेंडली ऑफ कोर्स, उनके हिसाब से जैसे उनको चाहिए वो उसके हिसाब से वहाँ पे जितना कंफर्टेबली उनको बैठना है, बैठ के वहाँ पे उनके घर पे आके कस्टमर फ्रेंडली होके बात करके वी कैन गिव प्रोवाइड सर्विस हाई क्वालिटी। हम जो मटेरियल्स यूज करते हैं या फिर अगर हम जो ब्लेड्स यूज करते हैं, जो मशीन यूज करते हैं, वो कोई लोकल चीज नहीं होना चाहिए, वो हाई क्वालिटी का होना चाहिए ताकि इट वोंट अफेक्ट द कस्टमर। देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पीस ऑफ द मार्केटिंग, इट इज प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे हेयर कट, बियर्ड ट्रिमिंग, हेड मसाज, बियर शेविंग, हेड शेविंग एंड ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ वैक्सिंग। सो हम सबको पता है कि हम 8 से 10 घंटा सिस्टम के सामने या लैपटॉप के सामने बैठते हैं। सो along with that we also intend to get stressed, so हेयर कट के साथ साथ हम हेड मसाज का भी ऑफर कर सकते हैं उनको। प्राइस जो पैंडेमिक के पहले जो प्राइस था वही प्राइस हमको रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ देम विल थिंक दैट पैंडेमिक के बाद कॉस्ट बढ़ गया है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम आपके पास आ रहे हैं। तो इसमें फायदा ये होता है कि आप हमारे पास आने का टाइम, एनर्जी और आपका जो पेट्रोल एक्सपेंसेस ये सब सेव होता है। देन प्लेस एज इफ कस्टमर्स का ही प्लेस, हम उनको हमारे पास आने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो इफ दे गिव अ कॉल और दे कैन टेक्स्ट अस विद प्रॉपर लोकेशन, वी विल बी देयर इन देयर डोर स्टेप। उनका ऑफिस हो सकता है या फिर उनका होम भी हो सकता है। Then promotions, we are using door-to-door marketing, customers mouth-to-mouth marketing, small posters in the every streets, distributing pamphlets, maintaining public relations. अभी door-to-door marketing मतलब we have to approach door, every family personally, and we need to let them know about our service, that we are providing this kind of service. So if you need, we can you can contact us personally. हम एक door to door जा सकते हैं। And customers mouth to mouth marketing, which means अगर हम कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, he will himself रेफर टू हिज नेबर्स, या फिर उनके जो जो नीड है आके बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे को हेयर कट करना बट अभी सैलून बंद है, पता नहीं क्या करना। सिर्फ that person has personally taken the service from us, so he will refer our service to the person who is in need. So ये mouth to mouth marketing customer का हो गया। Then small posters, everyone tends to get a cool breeze in the evening, so यहाँ पे ऐसा देखा जाए तो एक families evening को walk लेने आती है ठंडी हवा लेने के लिए। So when everyone is out on the streets, we can use that as an opportunity, and we can put posters in every streets, every corners where it is visible clearly, and we can promote our service through this technique. And then distributing pamphlets again, हर डोर पे जाके हम pamphlets रख सकते हैं। We can let them know about our service, what kind of service we are providing, what are the benefits, what they will get benefited after getting our service. And maintaining public relations, not only providing them just a haircut service in this lockdown. If they need something besides the haircut, we can maintain a good relation with the family, and if in need they want, they can come to us in the near future. देन एडिशनल पीस फॉर द सर्विस। अभी ये जो पोजीशनिंग है, पोजीशन इज अ पोजीशनिंग ऑफ ब्रांड थ्रू गुड सर्विस एट लो कॉस्ट। अगेन यहाँ पे टारगेटिंग कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन। अगर कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड है विथ अलोंग विथ लो कॉस्ट, दे विल कम टू अस अगेन। फिर आता है पीपल। पीपल जो हम यहाँ पे बेचते हैं उनके घर पे सर्विस देने, दे विल बी वेरी वेल ट्रेन्ड, दे विल बी ट्रेन्ड प्रोफेशनल्स हु हैज मोर देन 3 years of experience in the particular field. A process is simple. They just need to give us a call. After getting a call or text, we'll be going to their doorstep, and we'll be providing them the service. Physical evidence, as if there is no shop. The person himself is the physical evidence. He will be present in the customer's house or office, and he will be providing the uh, service. देन सेलेक्टिंग टारगेट मार्केट। अभी अभी इतना कुछ हो गया, बट क्यों करना है हम ये चीज, यहाँ कौन सी जगह पे हमको टारगेट करना है, कौन से मार्केट सेगमेंट पे। तो जैसे कि अगर मैं यहाँ बात करूँ, ये इस एरिया को बोलते हैं शोलिंग नल्लोर। तो ये OMR है, ओल्ड महाबलीपुरम रोड। दिस एंटायर रोड इज नोन फॉर IT प्रोफेशंस। इन्फोसिस है, TCS है, ऑल काइंड ऑफ कॉग्निसेंट, है, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड। सो ये सारे IT प्रोफेशंस, टेक पार्क्स। सो यहाँ पे सब कुछ IT प्रोफेशंस है। ये पूरा 3 एरिया, दैट इज it covers approximately 10 to 15 kilometers. So ये पूरा एरिया में just IT professions, and during this pandemic every IT profession is doing their work from the home. So उनको बाहर यहाँ पे वैसे भी यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है अभी, so they need haircut, they need to look presentable. So 80% families अगर हम टारगेट करें, एक दिन में अगर एक फैमिली के पास भी जाए, तो we will be earning approximately 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per day. So this is a good business. So why do they need this service? उनको हेयर कट हम क्यों करें उनके घर पे जाके? बिकॉज दे नीड एंड वी ऑल्सो नीड सम बिजनेस। सो सिंपल से कि उनको वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस पे बैठना है, तो दे कांट लुक शैबी, दे नीड टू गेट ड्रेस्ड, दे नीड टू लुक प्रेजेंटेबल। सो पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन विद उस कस्टमर्स, क्लाइंट्स या फिर उनके मैनेजर्स, उस समय भी उनको ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि आर दे लुक प्रेजेंटेबल, दे आर कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफेशनल्स, सो दे नीड टू लुक प्रोफेशनल। सो STP, sir. So segmentation, appearance, as I said, appearance is very important for a IT profession or any kind of profession which is going through video or internet world. So targeting, again, sir, targeting we are doing door to door, and we will be at your doorstep. And positioning, the process of loving yourself. When we love ourselves, then only we can we can. When we love ourselves, then only we can uh, focus, and we'll be confident in our work, sir. Thank you, sir. थोड़ा बहुत किया है, सर। सर।
नवीन, पोजीशनिंग का स्पेलिंग गलत था, और लास्ट
ओके सर।
में कुछ एक चीजें मेरा फोन आ गया था तो मैं कुछ एक चीजें सुन नहीं पाया। लेकिन
ओके सर।
नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू ओपन दिस सेशन फॉर ऑडियंस। इफ यू विश टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन, at least you should start asking questions. Then and then only your tongue would be habituated to speak in front of others or in front of strangers. है ना? Start asking question. The 100 rupees charges are there, but you'd like to uh, add something to Navin. Ke Navin, you should keep charges as 300 rupees. As for home visit, 100 rupees petrol fuel is required. Such type of suggestion would you like to give to Navin? Any suggestion, Hetal?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I would
Tushar.
like to do the same.
Tushar, you
Yes,
raise your hand.
yes. Sir, my question is, as Naveen display their idea because of there is a COVID pandemic and we are not able to go out. And
Okay.
side by side, he also said we need to go door to door for their marketing. So this is, I think so this is a mismatch somewhere, because if people not wants to like connect with you by physically, so we have to choose some mode of marketing which is also a digital.
Very good. Very good question. Navin, you should answer this query, and then even I would like to answer this query on behalf of you. But starting with you, Navin.
Sir, the first and foremost point is that before the pandemic, there is a closed space in which people will be coming and they'll be waiting and it will be crowded. But in this time, no one wants to be inside a closed door. So when it is in their house and the person who is coming, he'll be vaccinated and his temperature checks will be done, and afterwards he'll be let in for the service. So in this case, if he's asking that door to door service, there is only one person going to every door to door, keeping in mind that he is not infected along with precautions taken. So in this
Okay.
case, I don't see any problem, sir.
Naveen, I am okay with your answer, but my question is different actually. You are adding door to door is in your marketing strategy, but you have to go to door and give your service. That's just a obvious thing. But my question is why door to door marketing you are choosing?
because because physical customers won't be willing to come
Okay,
if they
let me
are
answer
afraid.
the query now. Uh, Tushar, you are correct. Door-to-door marketing is not required as for such type of product. First of all, you'll have to understand targeted segment, and targeted segment would be exclusive people who like to have comfort. Okay,
Right, sir.
people who wish to have comfort level or wish to enjoy their leisure time, wish to be at their home, and being at home only they wish to have service. And now where can we find such type of people? We can find such type of people online only, so going door to door is not at all required. You will have to market your product on Insta, FB, LinkedIn, and it would be free of charge. You will have to do search engine optimization, and uh, from social media marketing or influencer marketing only, you will get your business done. Okay. Second query was due to COVID-19, Navin has come up with this idea, but would this idea sustain after COVID or not? Again, I would like to answer this query as this business would sustain. Even this is innovative business. One or two companies, Urban Clap or such type of companies, they might have started it, but then too much strength is there. If at all Navin or any one of you would start this business, you can become millionaire. You can become millionaire because now that this is the time. This is the time presently as each and every one would like to be at their home, and whatever service, banking, insurance, saloon, spa, or restaurant, each and every service people would like to get at their home only. So, to give that comfort level to people, you can offer such type of service. And Navin, I like your presentation. It was very good. I enjoyed it.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Tushar ji, Sharma ji. Okay, sorry, one sec. Mansi, you had some query.
Sir, I had the same question.
So your question has been answered.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Astha, Keval, Hetal, Rahul. Anyone of you? Do you have any query?
No one, sir.
Okay. See, please, guys, if you'll participate in such type of events, then and then only you'd be able to crack interviews. Then and then only you'd become manager. You'd be earning salary of whatever your desired level. 35,000, 75,000 salary per month you wish to draw, but you wish to keep mum. Or both of these things are extreme ends. Please start speaking. Asta, you raise your hand. Yes, come with your query.
Yes, sir. Sir, right now competition इतनी है तो how can we make our service unique and how to attract more customers?
Can I answer that?
Naveen, would you like to answer query?
यस सर, ये कंपटीशन की बात करें, सो वी नीड टू गिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सर्विस, जैसे कि हेयर कट के साथ साथ हम हेड मसाज भी देंगे और इतना लो कॉस्ट में देंगे, तो दे विल बी कंपेयरिंग आवर बिजनेस, आवर सर्विस विद अदर्स, सो इन दिस केस इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सर्विस देंगे तो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल। एंड बाकी कंपटीशन की बात करें, बाकी लोग जो पैंडेमिक के पहले जो सर्विस था उसके डबल वो लोग चार्ज करते हैं अभी, भले वो घर पे जाके करते हैं। सो इन दिस केस हम वही की वही कॉस्ट रखेंगे, और फ्यूल कॉस्ट उसने बोला कि डोर टू डोर जाने का, तो यहाँ पे उसको भी मिनिमाइज करने के लिए हम जो साइकिल्स और जो बाईसाइकिल्स यूज करते हैं वैसे वैसे चीज के थ्रू कॉस्ट कटिंग भी कर सकते हैं। सो डिड आई आंसर योर क्वेश्चन आस्था? वाज दिस क्लियर इनफ?
Okay,
Yes.
Asa, I would like to solve your query with the dialogue of Scam 1992. रिस्क है तो इश्क है. You will have to take risk. If you will be sitting at your home, you will not be doing anything, then never ever you are going to have any of the business. You will have to start, you will have to think something. Whatever things may be, you may lose, whatever defeats may be there, whatever problems may be there, each and every time I'm not telling you are going to win, but at least you will have to start. You'll start and you will get some of the idea. Second, we are just thinking about proposal of the product. So in the project so many things would be there. You'll have to think about pricing, you'll have to think about competition. But if you are starting such type of concept with one or two saloon wala people, barber, then it may be you are just empaneling two persons. Okay. Second, you'll be having system, some of app you'll develop, that is quite possible, easy and cost competent. And third is you are presently marketing on social media, so no costing is there. So when you are starting, no, you are not going to invest too much, so it would be possible for you to start such type of business. Now after starting business, once you get your customer base, uh, time by time you can take decision about your competition or about different issues what can be sorted. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Asta, anything else?
No, sir.
Asta, anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Keval? Okay, Tushar, you can start your presentation now. Sharma ji.
Yes, sir. I am sharing. Sir, is it now? The screen is visible. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'm choosing the product, which is very well known, a Nike shoes. Here is an introduction of Nike. Product is shoes. I'm choosing because this is a very vast brand which making a sportswear behind like other than footwear also. But I'm particularly choosing a product which is shoes. So here a brand is Nike. The USP is best quality shoes for athletes and fitness persons. They are giving us. Here are the 4 P's on Nike's product is based on, like product is Nike shoes. Price, they are targeting a premium quality of customers, which are also like sustainable thing. So the pricing is premium. Place you can get it from any Nike retail stores or factory outlet of Nikes also. And promotions, they are using TV, social medias, print media like magazines, everything. And beside this, they are using banner ads also. Here are STP explanation. So first is segment. The age group between 15 to 40 are the primary targets of the company, irrespective of gender. So because they are making a sportswear, so the primary target of the starting from 15, when the person is in the age when they are starting their sports activity, like in advance, and 40 is the age where the person is taking start thinking of their retirement. So not in every case, but more generally, so their targeted audience is between 15 to 40, and which is also irrespective of gender. Right now, Nike's new advertisement mostly showing the women empowerment in their ads, and they are also promoting sports with the help of women's and men's, as I said, irrespective of any gender. Targeting is man and woman with active sporty personality, fitness conscious. So they are targeting their audience by showing the fitness athletes like Ronaldo is the brand ambassador here, and some basketball player. And recently, our Indian women's cricket team is the branding ambassador and partner of the Nike shoes. So they are targeting through the sportiness and fitness enthusiast things. So as an example, I said, if I am going to start any jogging and any gym activity, fitness related activity, and I need to buy a sport shoes, the first company in my mind is connect with Nike, and other competition are there like Adidas and Puma, but Nike is mostly focused on the sports. Here is the positioning, how they positioning their product in our mind. So they are very like they are display a purpose and value driven marketing, ensuring to global inclusivity and spatially gender. So they are like, as I told you, there is nothing like woman and man for Nike. They are promoting everything, and there is always a purpose or value driven marketing, which means they are always tell you, as their tagline said, just do it. So it's mean, if you have any idea, any fear of anything, so just don't think about it. You can go and just do it. So this thing helped them to target the selected segment of market and their audience. So here is the one Nike ad. Sir, actually, I'm able to play this, but the sound is not like audible. So I am playing this ad on YouTube. I hope you are all able to watch it with the subtitles. So can I play, sir? This is 1.5 minute ads. Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, sir. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. You can't stop sports. Nike.
Yes. So coming back to our presentation,
At
as
least,
I
Tushar, you should have read all the captions.
yes, sir.
है ना? If you wish to do such type of things, then you should have read the captions. Okay, fine. Continue.
Yes, sir. So the meaning of this ad I am showing you is this. As the positioning of the Nike is to purpose and value driven marketing. So here in this ad, they are showing us how bad we defeated with the situation are. It doesn't matter. We need to get back and come back harder. So as we all know, because of COVID-19, there is a almost ban on all the international sports events. So for this, they are promoting their brand through the situation and condition, which is also a purpose and value driven. And as their tagline justify this ad is just do it, and we can't stop sports. Hope I am clear and you guys understand the meaning of the ad with no sound effects. Sorry for this. So here is the new product and new advancement in the product. This is a conceptual idea from my side. So shoes with color change based on mood and fashion. Right now, you guys can laugh and you can easily say this is not a possible thing, but as a concept, we can visualize this and idealize this because this technology is already we are using in automobiles. I hope you guys can see this car related videos. So STP explanation for my new product is segmenting
Uh,
the
Tushar, what is spelling of explanation?
सर वो ए पहले बाद में लग गया सर
Okay, done.
सॉरी सर so here the segment which is the age group between 15 to 55. So with my new product and my new concept, Nike can promote their like product with the bigger segment, which is increased from 40 to 55. Because now not only the sporty thing promote, here they can also promote the different kind of diversity. Like if you purchase only a one shoes, my concept is if you purchase only a one type of shoes, so you can change their color according to your mood and fashion. So the one shoes you can carry with your jeans t-shirt and with your shorts and same you can use with your lowers like sportswear in we are using in gyms. So doing this, we can increase the segment of our product. Target I am going to target with influencers from different field like working professionals. Most of the working professionals are willing to wear the sport shoes in their office, but the problem is like because there is a dress code, you need to wear a formal shoes, but some companies allowed it from the weekend, and if the genuine reason with the employer, so they can allow it, but the color of the shoes is very matter. They can already always say use a black. If you are going to wear a sports or sneakers in office, it should be in a black color actually. So if you buy a black color sneaker for office and black and white color for your outing and red color for your gymming, so there is a lot of where you need to buy. But with this concept, you just have to need to buy only a one shoes and you can change your colors with your fashion and mood and it's go with your every fashion. So with working professional DJs, I am selecting DJs as my influencers. Climbers, climbers and sports person. The different kind of shoes they are like getting. Most of the time, climbers preferably a brown color shoes, and sports person are like to take a like red, blue, this type of shoes. So these are the different categories, and it can be more diverse according to our like targeted audience. So positioning, I am going to promote diversity in one product only. So here the positioning is changed from Nike's present product, because here they are promoting with like purpose and values. Here are we can use purpose and values in further time, but right now I'm promoting diversity. Yes, you can purchase only a one shoes and it will solve your all footwear problems in one product only. So, and the four piece for my product is going to remain same actually, if I'm telling you, because product is from Nike shoes only, Nike shoes. Price is premium only. Place you can really buy it from any Nike retail stores, and promotions I'm going to do with TV, social media, print media, and banner ads only. So as it is a product, so I'm going to use this four piece only. Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for watching. Sir, I'm completed.
Very good. It was nice presentation. I enjoyed it, and perhaps if I might have made a presentation on Nike, then even I might not have made such type of beautiful PPT. It was a great presentation. Now I
Thank
would
you,
like
sir.
to open discussion to audience. Any of the audience would like to any raise any query?
Sir, I do have one question, sir. He said Nike shoes or Puma shoes. Nike shoes target on fitnessing. फिटनेस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता है compared to Puma, Reebok, Adidas. There are various other companies which are their competitors. So my question is that how does this brand stand out of them? इतने ऐसे क्या चीज़ है? Why should we opt for you buying your product as Nike stands the top product and it is costlier than other products? So when they offer the same uh, use for the product, and why should we not switch for the other products which are comparatively cheaper?
Thank you for your question, Naveen. And I'm like try to solve your query. See, the USP of the Nike is to target the sporty and fitness things. So as you said, there is a competitor in market, but the quality and the technology Nike provides, so this is always a first. Right now, I guess you're aware about the one product of Nike, which is a automated shoes lace. So the shoelaces are automatically like tied up according to your body weight, which is not even like presented conceptually by any other brand. Even Jordan, if it's a Nike से भी premier brand है Jordan, उसने भी अभी तक नहीं किया है. So Nike gives you the advancement. Nike gives you the purpose of buying their product. And yes, there is always a big market in shoes, so the competition is very high. So Nike is always like go with the situation things, making ad like I shown you on the current situation and promoting their advancement. So this is why that Nike is the symbol of trust with the people. Like if you buy a Nike shoes, you don't need to worry about any kind of warranty guarantee and some wear and tear. They are providing you the best facilities. So that's why the premium classes they are targeting mostly a premium class, not any one guy. That's why like the prices are also in a premium category. So I hope you get your answer.
Okay, great. Any one of you does have any other query?
Can I add one more, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Tushar, you said we are targeting fitness. So for the past 12 to 15 months, we have been locked down in a four walls. So
Yep.
if you talk about fitness, we are not allowed to go outside or we are not supposed to go to the gym. Gyms are closed. So अगर हम एक closed environment में है, so everyone is shifting towards the body workouts or calisthenic workouts, which doesn't need any particular shoes or thing. So घर के अंदर ही अगर exercise करना है, they want to be fit. So how are you proposing to buy your product?
Okay, so your question, there is a good question you are generating. So my answer is, if as I am a very enthusiast person regarding my fitness and my sports thing, it doesn't care about any lockdown or any COVID if it is about my fitness. Yes, you are right. I am doing my all exercises in my home only, and if government allowed me, I go to the nearer park, not in a gyms, but in every exercise, expected calisthenics, because calisthenics is a upper body workout, as I know. There is a minimum requirement of shoes, but all the other exercise, if you are going to take, so in every exercise you need a particular type of shoes. If you are going to lift a weight in your home only, you have to buy a shoes which is used in a weightlifting. If you are going to walk in your society's park, you need to buy a running shoes or a walking shoes. So the demand of this shoes is never going to like fallen. Yes, you are right. The market, as the COVID impact on the every market of the world expecting pharmaceutical. So yes, there is some impact, but the demand is not going to be fallen anyhow.
Great. It's true. Like except pharma, all of the industry they are facing losses, and even at home, if you do some sort of exercise, then shoes are required. And even Naveen, in the morning, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, you might have visited riverfront. Then too many sports persons would be there. You would see, and they would be wearing shoes for running or their marathon practice or practice for their PSI or some type of government exams. Naveen, do you wish to ask anything?
No, sir, I'm done.
Rahul, you should add something as even you are a fitness freak.
No, sir. This is great.
Okay. I would like to ask